Hi there friends, this is Shozy and I'm getting ready to take my shower, but I thought I would show you my room tour. Yeah, I updated my room and it looks kind of claustrophobic, but it's not so bad. I put my dressers over here where I used to do a lot of filming, because here's my mirror that I used to film in front of. And there's Irene. Hey, everybody say hi to Irene. I love Irene. Anyway, I have to redo the tops of my dressers, and they're dust magnets. Oh my gosh. I'm going to paint the top of them too, a different color, and then put flowers down the front. A lot of people don't like painted dressers, but you know what? Do I care? No. This was an old, this was found on the side of the road. I get a lot of dings because of the way that I redid it. Do I care? No. This is my house, so I do whatever I want in my own home. And this was a fan. It's kind of crooked. It's leaning. And those are clothespins. Then this was an old chair that I never paid my mom for. I always felt bad about that. My Steampunk dollhouse was in here. It's 2 shelves basically, and I took them out. And I have to put this rug, which is right here, down on the floor eventually. And I have to lift this because the bed is lifted, but I have to lift the mattresses because this is like frame right here. This part right here is just frame. So when I get out in the morning, I have to jump off of the bed in order for it to not hit me in the back of the knees. It's special, trust me. And that was a garage sale find, that painting over there. And this is my rack of just nicer clothes. And then my boots are over here, some of my painted shoes. You know, I'm a fanatic about painting stuff. And it's not surprising because this is a vintage purse. It's wooden. And my mom actually painted that about 50 years ago for my grandma. It has her signature and everything in there. It's pretty cool. And then I painted, as you all know, the mirror. And then my ex found this pretty cool vintage dryer, and I use it as a light. I jerry-rigged it. This is my makeup stuff. It's a luggage rack. I got it for $1 at a thrift store. Behind the curtain, actually not all the way, there's my corset, is from that part down, my costumes for my cosplay. Yes, I do cosplay. At the very end, you can see part of my Mad Hatter costume that I'm still working on. I have a Snow White, but it's going to be for everyday wear. Not every day, but for every day. I just have to get the shoes. It's a t-shirt, the top, but I'm going to redo it. It's going to look way better. All my hats are in the hat thingy, and the black, that's actually a vintage wig holder. And yes, this one right here, not there. This. I have a really super expensive wig when I did theater. I played Titania in A Midsummer Night's Dream. I played her twice. I wore the wig once. It's like almost $200, that wig. I have a poster with me in that wig. My Marilyn wig is up there too, because I did a singing telegram as Marilyn Monroe. Oh yes, I've lived the life, I'll tell you what. My regular clothes are on this side. My satin pillowcases, because I love satin pillowcases. My regular clothes that I wear to work are on here, and then all my scarves, and then my closet with shoes and yada yada. My painted boots, you can just see them peeking out, and all my slippies. Who doesn't love character slippers? My one bunny in here that I keep for my Alice costume. All my Betsy Johnson purses are over there. My specialty purses and things are hanging on the other side. Dig those sequin boots. Come on. And there's my crazy coat that I crocheted right there, that papa color. Hope you enjoyed this. It was fun. One of my sons made me this really cool, the thing fell off. And it glows in the dark. It's a fairy lamp. My neighbor made this for me. I thought that was really cool. All right, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for joining me. A lot of love in this room. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and being with me through this journey called life. Love you guys. Bye.